Hi Pradeep,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Yes, fine, ma'am. I'm fine.
Yeah, good. This is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from you. First of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank
Can
you.
you introduce yourself, your college, your native?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Myself, Pradeep, yes, and I completed my degree in the Computer Institute of Technologies, and I currently stay in Nagarbavi near the Computer Institute of Technologies, and my current native place is at Kolar, Mulbagal Taluk, and Mulbagal village.
Yeah, good. How do you know about CMTI?
Ma'am, CMT actually we got to know from the college side, and also we understood that the CMT is good at giving the placement opportunities to the students.
Yeah, that's good. How the CMTI supports towards your placement?
Ma'am, it was very well, ma'am, and also due to the CMTI, I got placed in as a site engineer. Give the very well assistance to the placement training.
Yeah, that's good. What you will be saying for juniors and your friends about CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. I would definitely recommend this CMTA because it's a very good platform in order to get jobs, and also it can also acquire immediately jobs that we require. And also we are very comfortable with the people here in the CMTI, and also they are very well in assisting the job roles that we require. And also they just guide us how to be with the people, and also how to attend the interviews, and also how to crack the interviews.
Yeah, that's nice. Um, like for which role you have selected?
Ma'am, I selected to a site engineer role from the Sila Constructions, and also I'm very happy I'm happy for that, and also thanks for the CMTI for giving this opportunity.
Yeah, thank you so much. For congratulations for your placement and have a bright future, Pradeep.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.